Hey everyone, so got home today and found a parcel soaking wet in the rain from Online IT for the AR Clean Blue 613K. Because of the trolley that came damaged, the company provided me with a replacement button, 1 unit, along with a release clip, I guess, as well, you see here, and the black case, which was actually the bit that was damaged when I got the item in the delivery. So no instructions, no idea how this fits exactly, but I wanted to just open this, well, show you everyone this, and hopefully this weekend, if I get time, or one evening if it's not too wet, because it's been chucking down with rain, I can put this together after dismantling the old unit and putting this together. Because of this, I have not even used the jet wash yet, but I shall hopefully doing that as soon as I can now. Okay, I'll keep you posted. Bye.